We got a lot of tumblers to do. 100? Got 50 20 ounce and 50 30 ounce to make. Gonna make them all on the commarker. Made a new little plate. Far easier to line them up. I'll show that sometime. First we gotta design it up here in LightBurn. So I had this made up in the Xtool creative software, because that's when I only had the Xtool F1, and now I have the commarker, so we're gonna make it up in LightBurn. We're in LightBurn. See if you can hear me over the lovely laser. Here in LightBurn, if you see, we're setting up a 30 ounce tumbler. The tumbler we're using is just some off-brand MKR, which is what I use a bunch of. Pretty thin coating, it's nothing like Yeti. So we're setting this up here. Just a quick rundown, not a full tutorial. This is the logo we're doing. It's on a 30 ounce tumbler. The diameter of the tumbler is 101 millimeters. So just what looks about right. We're gonna do 80, if you look up here. 80 or so width. This is obviously sideways, and you'll see how it's set up on the laser. But yeah, so 80 looks about good. It's not too far wrapped around the tumbler. I think it looks alright. So we didn't change the height, so we're just scaling the whole logo to that height. So we're gonna have this at 80. We're gonna go over here, our layer, this one's red, our layer color is red here. We're gonna turn this one on. This box here is actually just the outline of kind of where I can engrave on the tumbler before it starts to step down to like the skinnier part where you'd hold it. So, and that's just a template that I made, so then it's just easier for me to line it up. So, got the logo here, got my settings here. These are the settings that I do with a 55 watt commarker fiber laser. Speed 3500, 100% power, interval 0.02, frequency 90. You gotta enable the rotary down here. Make sure the square's turned off, just our logo's turned on. We're gonna hit start. You can see our object diameter right here. We're gonna go to 0, which it's already at. And we're gonna frame it, very important. And you're gonna look on the tumbler and see where it's gonna be. Now there's no handle on this tumbler, so it really doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter where it goes, and this is just a mock-up garbage tumbler anyway that I use for a bunch of logos. So you'll run through your slices, and it'll rotate the tumbler as you click. Easy enough. Looks good to me. It's good up and down. It's not too far up, not too far down. Looks about right. So we're gonna hit start here, and then watch it engrave. Yeah, that's all the ones we gotta do. It's a bunch. This commarker's nice. I got a foot pedal with it, so I can do batch stuff easy enough with that. Pretty convenient. So I can just throw another tumbler on here, line it up with here, make sure it's sitting level, and then just hit the pedal again. And then it just does it again. And there we go. Turned out pretty good. You can see the other logo, the red shed. Looks pretty fine. And there we are. Turned out pretty good. We'll clean that up a little bit with some rubbing alcohol and put a thin little coat of wax on it, make it look nice, but yeah, pretty good.